So welcome guys to our weekly GBPUSD trade analysis video. So I'm going to be brief as possible. NFP was postponed to next week, so guys who expected this video to be about the NFP, just watch the next week's video. Of course we are going to be in profit of the NFP. So GBPUSD is still in a downtrend, though this week was very nice for us, though we didn't take so many trades of course, but on Friday we didn't take any trade, though we had this setup that wasn't triggered. So let's just look at the 4 time frame for now. You all know I use the 4 time frame to get my current trend, or the main trend. So let me just explain to you a strategy, guys. So you see the way GBPUSD was just ranging in on the 4 time frame, it was repeating something that is obvious. Now let's see, just look at this, a pull back in here and a push to the upside, then a drop. Have you seen that? Now just look at another one. Look at this, pull, a play around and a push, then a drop. Let's look at another one. Down, pull back in here, playing around, push to the upside and drop. Let's look at another one. Pull back in here, play around, push and a drop. So what should you expect around here? Will we have the same movement? GBPUSD has been rejected, it has failed to break this level. Now I've just showed you guys how you should analyze the market. Now you should see a pattern that's repeating itself. Now when I saw that move twice, tapping in here and in here, I sent the type of analysis to the Telegram group, and I just told them, yeah guys, we're going to sell GBPUSD today, the whole day. Just look at this movement, it has been forming the same move twice. So that's how we're selling for the whole of Wednesday and Thursday, I think. So let's just look at, now is the 4 time frame for the main trend, 1 hour for the current trend, and the 15-minute for my entry. So let's just drop down to the 15-minute and determine how I entered most of these trades and why I sent the signals to the Telegram group. Of course not all signals, because it's kind of breastfeeding, but shall break them down. Now guys, always follow structure. Go back and back test your structure. If you see the pattern is repeating itself, be sure to try that pattern the next setup you're going to take, because trust me, it will play out, like 70% chances of that playing out. So let's just look at, oh shit, I'm going to delete that. Let's just look at the trades we took. My internet is kind of messy, so bear with me though. So why did you take this sell? We're supposed to take this sell from here. Reason being, there's a psychological level and there's a trend line, and there's something like an order block from around this area, but the market formed an extension. So we started using the cost averaging system after it gave us this M pattern. We're in deep losses from around here, but it didn't hit our stop loss. It bounced off this order block and dropped. So we hit 90 pips. This was our first take profit. Then it hit, we were trailing our stop loss and boom. So what happened? GBP bought again, but there's a trend line from the upside running around here. So this was like a retest, so it formed a W pattern on a retest. If you're not sure, go on Telegram and check my previous setups or something. So it bought from here. The reason why it bought from here, there's a trend line running from below. Now I told you guys I'll be removing trend lines and order blocks, because the market keeps moving, so my chart becomes messy. So that's why I bought. So I bought this pair up to, my take profit was up here. There's an order block around this level, so it bounced off that. Now when it formed this lower high, we drew a trend line. The market came back in here, bounced off our support. Now I told you guys, this is a quick scalp, let's take the buy. It bought up to this level. It's upstairs, I think, yeah. So we bought up to this level, took profit. Now when it came back, we saw a trend line, then we saw this kind of M pattern in here, and we saw another block. Well, like, this is a nice sell. We took the sell. This was our first take profit, this psychological level of 1.2000, and boom, the market bounced off. Now it started playing around there, But when the Asian session was done, we came back and found it around here. We took the sell, reason being there as an M pattern, and this was like a fib zone, the 50% fib zone. So we sold this pair till that high of the week. Now I drew this chart pattern out because it has 1 point, second touch, third touch. I expected the action around there, but let's just flow the video. So the buy happened from this point to that point. Reason being, this was a support, and I took it like, when I saw its weak rejections, I took the buy. It was a quick scalp to this level. So when it came back here, I thought it's going to form an M pattern. It didn't, so we were stopped out. Now this is the only loss we took for the week. So when the market kept dropping, it formed a W pattern, which we missed because it was in the Asian range. It has been climbing up to then. So this is another chart pattern which we are looking for to break out from this zone, retest at this psychological level, something like this. Break structure, retest, and shoot for the downside. So we're still in a downtrend on GBPUSD. So Monday we expect action. So have a nice day, guys. Back test your strategies. Let's prepare for NFP next week.